This is Cherie with Rehash Fiber. I have a simple, fun, one-day project for you. These are called Barefoot Sandals. And that happens to be the name of the pattern, Barefoot Sandals by Accessorise. You can find the pattern on Ravelry. These are foot accessories for the beach or wherever you're going to walk around barefoot. I see foot accessories a lot because I photograph a lot of beach weddings in Clearwater and St. Pete, and the brides often decorate their feet. This is a crocheted foot decoration. It goes on the top of the foot and wraps up the leg. Very nice. This was done with Knit 1 Crochet 2 Italian Ice. I love this yarn. I made a whole cardigan with it. This was in the stash. I had some left over and I was very excited to get to use it. It's like a tape with a shiny strand wrapped around it, so it just makes it really cool. Very classy. This was a little bit bigger, thicker than what the pattern called for. I needed a larger needle, size F, and so it made the foot covering a little bit bigger. That's fine. So that is just really fun. Okay, now I had to make another pair. This made in the morning, this in the afternoon. How fun. 2 projects done in one day. You feel like a rock star. Okay, because it's that easy. Okay, then of course I like the bohemian side of things. I love unique colors and crazy things mismatched together and kind of hippie-ish stuff. I grew up in the 70s, cool stuff. So I used the Louisa Harding Giardino yarn that I had left over from another project. And I love it because each sandal top came out different because there's different colors throughout the skein, and this was from one skein, but very different looking, which is cool. And it was definitely a thinner yarn, so I used a size G needle, and it's a little bit smaller for the top of the foot. It's great. So I could see the young ladies at the beach who want to accessorize wearing that. A whole lot of fun. So if you know a gal that would like to walk around barefoot with a foot accessory, this would be great. So as a reminder, if you're enjoying this, please check out my website, rehashfiber.com. You can donate just a tiny bit a month, or like my brother says, $1,000 a month, and $1 a month would be great. Keeps everything going, and also I have merchandise there, really fun stuff, and all of it helps. So thanks so much. All right, everybody. Happy crocheting barefoot sandals, and thanks for watching.